editorial captions. I got a lot of people asking me for a little bit of help with editorial captions. I've always used Shutterstock editorial captions for every agency out there. And it's very simple, kinda, if you follow the format. So they want you to do your city, comma, state or country, dash, month, day, comma, year, dot, dot, and then a sentence describing what's happening in the event. This is Shutterstock's editorial caption. Super easy. Here's an example. This is Puerto Vallarta, comma, Mexico, dash, January 28th, comma, 2020, dash, photo of folkloric dancers dancing in the beautiful traditional dresses representing Mexican culture. That's it. That's an editorial caption. Now there's also illustrative editorial. And this is when you use a product, like the example they're given here is a MacBook computer, a MacBook laptop thingy. So it says Apple MacBook Pro, Retina on a desk, table with mouse, keyboard, and stationery. Trendy office, freelance workspace, top view. So when you're doing illustrative editorials, you just gotta describe what's in the photo. Editorial content is all about giving information. It's about using newsworthy images. It's photojournalism, so that's why they want information. And the format is very simple. Where, when, who, why, and how. If you can answer all the W's, then you're in good shape because these photos are gonna be used as photojournalism for the most part. But remember, this is very simple. Just answer all the questions and use the format. You can copy and paste. I'll even do this here on the video description. You can fill out the blanks and then you can replace the parts that you need, like replace the date, the location. Now, if it's a well-known city, you don't need the country. If you're talking about Buenos Aires, everybody knows it's Argentina. If you're talking about New York City, everybody knows it's in the US, London. So you don't have to use country for well-known cities. But if you're talking about a very small, something like, for example, this one, a photo I did yesterday at an event here in Prospect, Oregon. Nobody knows where Prospect is, so you do Prospect, comma, Oregon. Now, again, it's about giving information. The more information you can give, the more chances you're gonna have of generating sales. So. All right, that's it with editorial captions. There's a format here you can copy and paste in the video description and just update your data, the date, location, what's happening, and that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.